So I don't know about you guys, but I love to shop for skincare at TJ Maxx. It's one of my favorite places to go. And I just got home from a TJ Maxx trip and I have a ton of skincare that I thought would be fun to chat about. So if you're new, hi, my name is Sophia. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. But anyway, let's get into what I picked up. We're gonna start off with body care. This is the Kopari Hydrating Silk Body Cream. I've never tried this before, but I really wanted to pick it up because it's summertime and I'm looking for something that's kind of like a lightweight body cream, but also has a nice summery scent. And this smells like coconut and I'm obsessed with anything that smells coconutty. So I'm also really obsessed with the packaging. It's so pretty. I love this text right here. It's raised up a little bit and it's gold and it's shimmery and it's just gorgeous. So love it. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it doesn't feel too heavy or greasy or anything like that. It just feels like a really good option for the summertime. It's really not an overpowering coconut scent because sometimes body creams or just coconut in general can be a little bit harsh. It's very clean, it's beachy, it's perfect for the summertime, so I cannot wait to be using this. Really so happy that they had this there because this was a great find. Also for body care, I got the Topicals Exfoliating Body Serum. And for me, I'm always looking for a body product that's going to be exfoliating and help with like ingrown hairs and keratosis pilaris, because that is something that I struggle from, especially on my legs and back of my arms. So this was something that really caught my eye. This product has retinol, lactic acid, urea, and squalane. So this is supposed to moisturize, exfoliate, and smooth. Really great ingredients in here. But I will say, especially in the summertime, because I'm gonna use this like on my legs and my arms, if you are using a product like this one, make sure you're applying sunscreen on those areas because we do have retinol and we have lactic acid in here, which is going to help the skin with cell turnover and exfoliate the skin. We don't want to have any sunburn, sun damage, anything like that, because we do have some retinol and lactic acid in here. But yeah, anyway, I'm curious about this product and I'm looking forward to trying it out. I'm looking forward to see how well it does at controlling keratosis pilaris, ingrown hairs, that sort of thing. I'm also curious to see what this smells like because sometimes exfoliating products have a very acidic, like off-putting smell. So I'm not gonna open this yet because I don't wanna like break that seal yet, but I'm curious if it's going to smell weird. So we'll see. I did also pick up one sunscreen. This is from Biossance. It is their Squalane and Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. I thought that this was the new one that they just released, but it's actually the older one that they discontinued. But I checked the expiration date. Where is it? Yeah, the expiration date is a year from now, which is June of 2027. I don't know if you could see that, but it does say June of 2027. That's the thing about OTC products at TJ Maxx. They're gonna have the expiration date on them, so you can just check it and make sure that it's not expired. So I have a whole year to use this sunscreen before it expires. The reason why it's probably at TJ Maxx is because they did come out with that new sunscreen and this is probably just overstock. But I bought this specifically for a sunscreen to throw into my bag because I'm really bad about applying sunscreen like to the backs of my hands and to my arms when I'm driving. And that's an area that I feel like gets overlooked a lot because we're really focused on like wearing sunscreen on the face, the neck, but I always forget when I'm driving. I'm like, my hands and my arms are like totally exposed. So I figured if I throw this into my purse, I'd be more likely to just get in my car, stick it on my hands before I get moving, and it'll be just more motivating for me to apply my sunscreen when I'm outside. I also picked up the Purito Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cream. I've never tried anything from Purito before, but I know this is a really popular Korean skincare brand. So I saw it at TJ Maxx and I was like, I'm gonna give it a shot. So for a facial moisturizer, you get a lot of product in here. I think it's 3.38 fluid ounces, which is quite a bit. Usually I feel like facial products are like 1.7 fluid ounces, so you get a ton in here. Yeah, it does have a seal, so I'm not gonna open it right now to see the texture because I wanna go through, again, like some of the other creams that I have before I break into this one. But I bought this specifically for the summer. Oh, here's my cat, he's saying hi. But I bought this specifically for the summertime because I thought this was gonna be more of like a lightweight moisturizer for the daytime, because sometimes I don't love to have a super heavy cream on throughout the day because I do have dry skin, but in the summer, especially if I'm gonna be outside a lot, I don't want something heavy because I'll be sweating, I'll get extra greasy throughout the day. So I'm looking for something that's a little bit more lightweight, and I thought this would be a great option. My TJ Maxx also had so much Glow Recipe, but I decided to pick up this one in particular. This is the Plum Hyaluronic Cream. I have not tried this one before, but some of the other stuff that they did have, I have tried. And this is actually the mini one, which is perfect for me. I like to buy things usually in smaller sizes because I'm constantly trying new stuff. And yeah, it's like such a nice jelly texture. I think it's gonna be great for the summer on really hot days. It's got hyaluronic acid in there, which is perfect at drawing hydration into your skin. While I have it open, I'm really curious what this feels like. And it doesn't have a smell, because I was wondering that too, because the watermelon line has that really strong watermelon smell, which I really like. Yeah, doesn't smell like anything. But it feels really, really great on the skin. It feels really, really hydrating, but it doesn't feel heavy by any means. So the last few products I have are all from the same brand, and I've only ever tried one thing from this brand before, and it is Skin 1004, and they had a ton of products from this brand at TJ Maxx. So I just had to pick up a few of them so that I can try them out. I picked up the Poremizing Deep Cleansing Foam because I was looking again for summer skincare, and like I said before, my skin gets a little bit more greasy in the summer because I'm sweating more. It's just hot out. Oh, the packaging is so cute. I love anything that's pink because pink is my favorite color. But I thought this was gonna be great for the summer because it's really targeted to clean out your pores. It also has some kaolin clay in there, which is going to help kind of soak up the sebum, that extra sebum in your pores, and really help cleanse the skin. So this brand is known for using Centella asiatica extract, and that is one of my favorite ingredients. It's fantastic for redness, for inflammation, for irritated skin, and I could use all of that because my skin can be kind of sensitive. It also gets red a lot, especially around like my nose area, so I'm all for the Centella. I love it. But anyway, this is gonna be a great one for, I think, nighttime in the summer to kind of get off all that, you know, sebum, the sweat. So this is a great one. I'm so glad they had it there. They also had some of their ampoules. So this is the Poremizing Fresh Ampoule. Oh, this packaging is so cute. I'm a sucker for packaging. If it has cute packaging, I have to get it. I thought this would be a great thing to pair with the cleanser to kind of help keep the pores nice and clean. So not only does this have Centella and Himalayan pink salt, it also has some peptides, which are supposed to support a healthy and balanced complexion. So I want to see what it feels like on the skin. It's kind of watery, but it doesn't feel sticky at all, which I love. It doesn't feel like it's going to sit weird under my makeup or anything. It just kind of melts right into the skin, which is perfect. Yeah, I feel like this was such a great TJ Maxx find. I'm so happy they had this there. So I also did pick up the Centella Ampoule. This is one that I feel like I see everywhere, and it's also quite a simple formulation. So the star of this formulation is the Centella. That is really the only active that is in here. So we have, I could literally read you the ingredient list because there's like not that many ingredients. We have water, glycerin as a humectant, butylene glycol, humectant, the Centella asiatica extract, 1,2-hexane-diol, cellulose gum, and ethyl hexylglycerin. So we literally have some humectants, water as a solvent, we have Centella asiatica extract, which is our active, we have our preservative, and a thickener. So it's super simple, but I kind of love that because you know exactly what you're getting with this product, and that is the power of Centella. The lovely anti-inflammatory, anti-redness, calming beautifulness of Centella, and I love that. Now, I thought that this would be an awesome one to make a dupe of, so that's another reason why I picked it up. Now, similar to the other one, I feel like this is also like very smooth on the skin. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel too watery either, like it's gonna run off your skin. It's kind of like the perfect in between. I really like this one. I think this will be something I incorporate into my morning routine. I also got the Probio-Cica Enrich cream, and I just had to pick it up because I already got the cleanser and I got the serum, so why not get the moisturizer as well? But anyway, again, I wanted to try as much as I could from this brand because I haven't really dived into it yet, and I know it's super popular right now. Here we have it, and then, oh, so cute. It also comes with a little spatula. I don't really love to use skincare spatulas. Honestly, I probably should because it's more sanitary than just like putting your hand in it, but you know, I'm not the best with it. So this is what the cream looks like. It's nice and thick. I really like the texture. It feels nice and rich, and I like a good rich moisturizer. So in addition to the Centella, we also have ceramides in here. And ceramides are probably one of my favorite ingredients of all time because they are amazing for your skin barrier. Once you have a healthy skin barrier, you're golden. You're good to go. And so I saw that it had Centella and ceramides. I was like, oh, this is gonna be amazing for my skin. So I cannot wait to use this. But yeah, this is why I love TJ Maxx, because you can just test out different products for a fraction of the price. Let me know what you guys like to pick up at TJ Maxx. Is there anything that you see there that if you see it, you have to grab it because it's your go-to product, your favorite product? Is there anything that you've tried from TJ Maxx that you became hooked on, that you've absolutely loved? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.